Hi, I'm Jared Wallace with TRIARC Tank, Senior Vice President, General Manager. TRIARC Tank is a company with over 90 years of history manufacturing horizontal ASME pressure vessels, as well as cylinders, verticals, storage tanks, bobtails, and transports. We're the largest in North America. Yeah, we're excited to show off here in Nashville one of our innovations with an OPD tank standard in all of our underground storage tanks. The OPD allows, when you're filling, to make sure not to overfill the tank. It enhances the safety and allows for a more convenient fill for the drivers to make sure there's less error during the filling process. On our above ground tanks, we have a standard 2-coat powder coat system that involves a zinc-rich epoxy primer and a polyester top coat, and available in 3-color standard: gray, white, and tan, and then custom colors upon request. We have industry-leading customer service, and they do a great job taking care of our customers. Everything from the quote process all the way through delivery and any after delivery needs.
Hi, my name's Casey Schwingle, and I work with CHS in energy equipment. One of our favorite parts of working with TRIARC is just the customer service alone. TRIARC's a great partner for a lot of different things, but first, being newer to the industry myself, only 2 years in, they're a great partner to help continue to educate me and help me grow within my own career. But then also just a good partner with making sure our cooperative network and independent marketers are set and have all their questions answered.
For more information about TRIARC Tank, please visit our website at www.triarccorp.com. You can see our information there, as well as our Mexico brand TATSA. And if you need anything, please call our phone number found online.